Well, we just finished up Dave's 2021 JL, and this one happens to have those special 3 numbers on the hood, 392. And you know what that means? I better test drive it. Here we go. Oh yeah! That's awesome. You know, it's for research purposes, you know, make sure all the lift kits in, everything's working good. It's always important to do those little launches. So we'll pull it up here on the hill and show you what we did to it. Well, it never gets old driving these Jeeps, and we just had these made, and it's almost kind of fitting for the 392. Look at those floor mats. WFO, it's the pedal on the right. Definitely fitting. Well, this build is just a simple build, but we got to put our long arm kit on it, and sitting on 3.5-inch Metalcloak springs. We went ahead and put a 3/4 inch spacer in the front just because of the extra weight of the motor to get to sit a little bit level. It's probably, well, this is our second 392 with our long arm kit. We also did have to do an exhaust mod to fit the crossmember and long arms in with the factory 3-inch huge dual exhaust that comes on the 392s. So come on in here, I'll show you some of the stuff underneath we did. All right, you take a look, you can see our long arms tucked in here, bent for tire clearance, fit the 37 so they don't rub. And we went ahead and used the Metalcloak skid plates. We've been using those a lot. All it takes is a really small notch here to clear our cross member and lower control arm. And then on the other side, a real slight notch to clear the gas tank. You can see our bolt-in bracket here for the rear long arms. All the holes are existing in the frame. It's all ready to go. And these are also bent for clearance and fitment as well. Everything else pretty simple on this one. It's got stock driveline, stock axles. Hasn't been geared yet because he's coming back for some Dana 60s as soon as he gets a chance. In the front here, you can see the Metalcloak coils with this little spacer we put above it. And we're just running a 2-inch Fox IFP shock. No reservoir or anything. It still rides really nice. As you sneak around to the front, went with the Poison Spyder bumper, Xeon 10,000 synthetic winch. We're able to keep the factory LEDs in the front bumper. A little something you might want to know if you have a 392 is that the factory LEDs would not fit the Poison Spyder bumper. So we had to steal the LEDs out of a stock plastic bumper to go into this one for Poison Spyder's bumper. Come on, look over here. We went ahead and put our heavy duty track bar brace in here, and then it also has our 2-inch quarter wall tie rod and drag link kit with the Fox steering stabilizer. Once again, axles are still kind of stock because he's going to put 1-tons in this thing. And then work your way around to the back, keeping with the Poison Spyder front bumper. We went ahead and installed the Poison Spyder rear bumper with the tire carrier, and in doing that, we relocated the license plate from the back of the bumper to the middle with the camera and the third brake light. So like all the other Poison Spyder bumpers, you just pull the handle, open, close, and you're good to go. So not much going on with this with the fact of the 3.5-inch lift, 37s in our long arm, but definitely stay tuned next year when we put the 1-tons in it. Love the green color. And it just doesn't get old. Listen to that 392. See ya.